Conversation 1.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and I study Spanish.
That's cool. Do you have friends from Spain?
No, but I like Mexican TV shows.
Me too. I love movies in Spanish.
Yeah, Spanish is so cool.
Conversation 2.
Do you like Japanese food?
Yes, I love Japanese food. I lived in Japan before.
Oh, do you speak Japanese?
Some, I have Japanese friends. I practice with them.
Do they speak English?
Yes, they speak English very well.
Conversation 3.
What foods do you like?
I like French food and Thai food.
Oh, me too. I also love Chinese food.
Do you like Korean food?
Yes. And I also love K-pop.
What is K-pop?
K-pop is Korean pop music.
Conversation 4.
Do you like football?
Yes, I love football. I watch German football, Italian football, Spanish football.
Me too. I want to go to England to watch my team.
What is your team?
Chelsea. They play in the English Premier League.
Oh, my favorite team is AC Milan. They play in Italy.